right, just gonna do a quick walk around. This is a 49 GMC truck sitting on the original frame. Does have a Mustang II front end, so that gives you the power brakes, power steering, or power steering. Does have the power brake booster mounted on the frame, which is nice. Just about everything on this truck's new, been rebuilt, been replaced. Just a fantastic looking truck. It is covered in kind of a sealer, bedliner type sealer, and finished in this flat black. Got a S10 rear end in it, new tires, 350 motor, 400 trans. Got new glass on the windows, new windshield, rear window, rubber on the windshield and back window. Got nice gauges, nice steering wheel. It's got to have some insulation, a carpet. Big West Coast touring mirrors. Underneath this truck looks fantastic. Sealed in kind of a pour 15 type of treatment. So the frame and everything is just really looks immaculate underneath there. All new exhaust, all new lines, everything looks really good underneath. Fire her up here. Just have all the working gauges there. The fuel gauge does work. It reads full at half, so probably needs some adjusting. The speedometer does work, but it is not real accurate. It needs some adjusting on that. 350 motors, freshened up. I mean, it's just seems like a stock motor. It's got a Edelbrock intake, Holley Demon 625 carb. New radiator. Pretty nice cruiser.